Hi, big guy. Uh-oh. Is that a sneeze? What's that noise? You love that fish, don't you? Yes, you love that fishy. You gonna talk for us a little bit? You were just talking. You were just talking a little bit ago. Huh? Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. You gonna talk a little? Huh? You gonna talk a little? You tired out now? Oh. CJ is 2 months old this week. He's going in for surgery later this week to get his hernia worked on. It's going to be tough. He's going to be doing power squats after that, like a day later. Oh. Yeah, buddy. You're awake now. I thought you were going to be tired. It's right in the middle of your nap time. Oh. He's starting to speak a little bit more. Oh, look at that thing. Oh.